वारियर 5 है, टाइगर्स 6 पे, 6 पे, ठीक है। अभी 6 सेकंड पोजीशन हो गया।
सेकंड थर्ड का प्रॉब्लम होगा।
हाँ
सेकंड थर्ड का प्रॉब्लम होगा, वो है। सेकंड थर्ड सेम मतलब ना क्वालीफाई हो गया, क्योंकि 2-4 का मैच है,
हाँ
वो नॉकआउट है, किंग्स का और चैलेंजर्स का। आपका और चैलेंजर्स का नॉकआउट, आपका और टाइगर्स का नॉकआउट है ना।
हाँ, टाइगर्स तो जीत गए ना अभी।
कौन सा?
यही तो
टाइगर्स जीत गया, किंग्स और आपका
किंग्स, हाँ किंग्स और मेरा है।
स्टार्ट कर दिया सर मैच।
4 पे रहेगा, सही है।
अनलेस आपका भी टाई होता है तो।
ये मुसीबत कहाँ से आ गया अभी?
तुमको जितना ही है सर,
जीतना ही है,
तुमको जितना ही है।
The first over from Atul, so it's played towards the mid off and it's single taken. There is a fielding change from Atul. Now he's coming over the wicket. No, it's round the wicket from Atul to Sunil.
Give me warrior topi.
And again is the low. It's a swing and miss.
Warrior! Warrior!
Spin and miss from Sunil. आई थिंक इतना अतुल ने धीरे डालते हैं, वो जब बॉल बैट्समैन के पहुंचने तक एक चाय भी पी के आ सकते तब तक। उसके बाद वो बैट को घुमाएंगे तो शायद वो बैट पे लग सकता है। अगला गेंद अतुल सुनील के लिए। And it's played towards the mid wicket and Akshay Khurana is the fielder from short mid wicket and he's covered the ball and threw towards the non-strike end. आई थिंक अतुल ने मेरी बात सुन लिया लगता है। ये गेंद थोड़ा तेजी से फेंका है, 40 to 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर। ये यूट्यूब वाला है क्या?
ये येलो है ना, ये यूट्यूब कौन सा है?
इट्स अनदर गुड डिलीवरी फ्रॉम अतुल। आई थिंक ये पावर प्ले का मतलब ओवर है, शायद वारियर ने भूल गया ये पावर प्ले का है। 3 ओवर हो चुका है, चौथा गेंद। It's another stumping, but wicket नहीं गिरा है।
Finals में गया।
नेक्स्ट बॉल अतुल। अगेन थोड़ा सा तेजी से फेंका है अभी। And it's over in the first over,
and only 2 runs given in this first over.
आई थिंक इस टूर्नामेंट के सबसे बढ़िया मतलब पावर प्ले का ओवर ये अतुल का है।
I think this
खाली
is very
2
same
रन
as
दिए।
Sonu yesterday. Sonu in the last match, in the first over, he only gave 2 runs. Remember, you are the one who batted. You scored it. You took it to 80. You're the one team. You're the team that was playing. You forget.
Sorry, Mr. Sonu. So my apologies from commentator.
And he had taken a wicket also in that one.
Yes.
This one, there was no wickets. There were 2 wickets.
यहाँ पे सब कुछ चलता है सोनू। य व ग क क्रू सब चलेगा।
All right, to bowl the second over, we have Mr. Akshay Khurana.
Oh, another slow right arm spinner. Slow in swinger, out swinger, slow medium and slow faster.
He's got a very slow trajectory.
Whenever he bowls, batsman can take one round
deceive
and
the
then he can
batsman.
bat. Maybe it will hit the ball.
लेग स्पिनर व्हाटएवर जो भी डिलीवरी है सब
बाकी जो प्लेयर है ना,
क्रिकेट में जो भी डिलीवरी है वो अक्षय खुराना डाल सकता है।
तो कौन
अक्षय कैन बॉल दूसरा, अक्षय कैन बॉल तीसरा, अक्षय कैन बॉल चौथा। But this is first ball of this Akshay, and it's a low full toss towards the mid wicket. Then there is a run out possible, and it's a good fielding from Atul. Is it Atul? Yes, Atul. Second
Pitch और slow ही था.
पिच की नमी के कारण से बहुत स्लो हो गया। I think
That's a
batsman.
wide ball, by Mr. Khurana.
It's a wide ball from Akshay Khurana.
We had seen Mr. Khurana practicing before the match in the nets.
You know, Nishan, yesterday after the tournament's over, he played 4 overs with the people who are normally comes to the ground and play in the evening time. He played 5 overs with them. Yeah. Actually, yesterday night he came here to check the pitch, how the pitch will perform tomorrow. So he just studied the pitch. Okay.
All right, so 2 balls and so far 3 runs have been captured. Banda.
No balls, every ball. See.
This is another good delivery. It's played over the point and there is a fielder on the deep point and it's a single for Warriors. And the batsman looking for second run. Actually, Akshay's done the QC check yesterday night. That's what he wants to bowl today. I think the Heroes captain. It's okay, man.
Job comes in between.
चलेगा रे.
All right, so here's the next delivery by Mr. Khurana. What a shot! There's a fielder, he'll cut it off, and he does well. And they're ready for it. There is a mix-up, there is a huge mix-up of the bowlers in.
I think the Heroes are.
The captain and the icon player are asking their players to run harder. They're asking them to run the first run faster so they have
Last
an opportunity to make the
last
second
ball of
one.
this over from Akshay.
And that's another wide.
Actually, wide.
That's the last delivery. And he goes. And that's a mix-up, and there is a wicket.
And it's a complete
What a-
mix-up from the
What a
batsman.
One miscommunication between the batsmen. There's one more delivery remaining in this over. 9 over. I apologize. The scoreboard is not updated. It's updated now. 2 overs, 10 runs. This day 3 has been a low scoring start for both the teams. And Mahesh to bowl the third over. And the man of big moments, Sujay Lotankar is here, and this moment cannot be any bigger.
And there is a player who's import from Uganda. What's his name? Mahesh? Mahesh Borke.
Mahesh Bodke. अरे रोहित सर
Mahesh Rohit?
अरे वो अभी खाली इधर है.
So another debutant for Heroes. It's Mahesh Borke.
Rohit, who's replacing you? Rohit, who's replacing you? Mahesh.
I think Heroes wants to give a chance to the other players. So I think the experienced players is sat out. And then Rohit is replaced by Mahesh Borke. Bodke. Mahesh Bodke. Jatin is corrected me. Thank you, Jatin. Sometimes my Marathi is not as good as like you.
So here's Mahesh Bodke from the Belapur end.
Who said Jatin's Marathi is good? Jatin, what was your score in 10th standard?
And that's swept on the leg side. It's going towards the boundary. There are 2 fielders. They are unable to do anything. They are trying to show off their football skills, but none of them were able to save the ball from crossing the boundary line. ये कितना 4 है इसमें भी? ये वाले बॉल पे कितना?
6 na?
6 है?
6 yeah.
मैं देखा है?
He played over the square leg and it's a 6 for Sujay.
Debutant is under pressure. The first 2 balls that he's bowled in this has been put away for 4 and then out of the boundary lines.
2 ball,
Outside the
10
boundary
runs. The debutant over is 2 ball, 10 runs. Bowler is under
Warriors'
pressure.
run rate has been retained. And here's the third delivery. And Sujay misses the ball, almost misses the stump and goes over the stump. Good ball, good comeback by Mahesh Bodke.
अरे प्लेयर वाटतो प्लेयर 12 प्लेयर वाटतो
Driven on the ground. Sukomal does well to stop it, to keep it to a 1.
It's played over the cover. And Sukumal Datta is the fielder.
Who's the other?
The next next delivery for
Sunil on strike. Mahesh Bodke with his 4th delivery. 5th, na? Sorry. I apologize. This was his 5th delivery. And there is a mix-up. This ball is going towards the boundary line. Will the flare cut it off?
Yes,
he does
and the-
well. Sujay is asking, and there is a huge mix-up. Huge mix-up between the batsmen. The other batsman was not looking at his partner.
I think Sudhir
He
is still
just
holding the ball. He's
assumed that
not.
the ball
He's not
was
hit the
far
stem. He's
between.
not pulled the stem still. Sudhir is not pulled the stem.
This was the last ball of
Umpire
the
is,
over.
is it out or not out? I think the keeper is
Run
still
out.
not hit the stump. He's holding the ball.
कितना ओवर हुआ कि नहीं? ये 5वां था ना?
कर दिया क्या हुआ क्या उसने सबको नहीं लगाया
It's now is the stem. I think Sudhir सोच रहा था कि सुजय क्रॉस करेंगे, सुजय को वेट आउट करें, लेकिन सुजय is very intelligent than Sudhir. यही गलती किया सुनील गलती यही गलती किया तो सामने बैट्समैन को देखना वो उसका कॉल वो क्या कर रहा है
क्यों देख रहा है
तेरे पार्टनर को देखना।
बैट्समैन को देखी तो भगाओ हाफ पिच पे था सुजय
ना काम कॉल था क्या उनका नहीं ना
हां बोला पहले भाग 3 मेरे पास से गया तभी
3 बॉल बोला लेकिन उसके बाद देखना बॉल थ्रो देखना वो भी तो देखना
संतोष वाघ फ्रॉम बोरिवली नेशनल पार्क
थ्रो वो साइड पे तो फिर वो मतलब कैच रहना
संतोष सुबह जिंकायचे
Oh, it's another next batsman for Warriors, Sonu. Always Sunil.
उसमें बैटरी ज़्यादा आता है इसके लिए।
I always say like that. Sonu Kuril.
सोनू कुरी
My
has
apologies,
promoted
Sonu Kuril.
himself up.
आज पता नहीं कितनी बार मैं उसको apologies करना पड़ेगा उससे.
ये अपडेट नहीं हुआ क्या स्कोर?
बैट ने एक साइड में
क्या वाइड था ये?
Sonu Kuril played towards the short mid wicket and
So
took
end of the
single
3
of
overs,
his last ball of the
score
over.
is 24 at the loss of 2 wickets. This is the 4th over. 2 overs to go.
It's 3 overs, 24 runs for Warriors and the loss of 2 wickets. This is the second last over from Darius. Darius from Palakkad, Kerala. Is basically next to Kevin and Vishnu's place. Both these people have spoiled Darius. It's another good line delivery and it's a
Big
chance of
opportunity. game right now. The tables have turned. If the Warriors are feeling dizzy because the tables have been turned, there have been 2 quick wickets taken now by the Heroes.
सोनू फिजियो है क्या फिजियो आज नहीं आया है रे अभी
Here's the next delivery. And that's a no ball. It's a no ball called by the umpire. It's a no ball, which means it is a free hit. And there was a run taken on that ball. So which brings Sujay Lotankar on strike to hit this ball, the free hit ball. He's assessing the field. Here we go, free hit ball. And that's how wide the bowler has come under pressure. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome Mansoor Hassan. Wave at the camera, wave at the camera. Right there. Here we go, the next delivery. And he hits it. There is no fielder. It will the ball win? And it does.
and it's a 4-run over the bowler head.
Beautiful hit. Sujay is literally carrying this team at the moment. तीन ओवर 2 बॉल and he swings again. Will this cross the boundary line? Yes, it does. DJ. For 3 overs and 3 balls. This is the 4th ball of the 4th delivery. There was no power play taken by the team, so the power play will be applicable in the next over. And that's a top edge. Nobody to hold on to it. They decide to keep it at 1. This is now going to be the 2 more deliveries to go in this over. Right, there are 2 more deliveries. 39 for the loss of 3 wicket. 38 for the loss of 3 wicket. And it's hit straight. Suyash does well. Returns the ball back to the bowler. Pulled, crosses the infield. The fielder at the boundary collects it and throws it back to the bowler. 40? And that's 40 runs up for the Warriors. So this is the final over and the batting power play has come into play, which means there are only 3 fielders allowed outside. Welcome DJ Santo, who is not making any noise for us. Alright guys, this is the final over. This is the power play. It's going to be bowled by Sukomal Datta. Yes, Sukomal Datta is going to bowl the last over. हाँ last ये 5 over की match है. हाँ. Suyash was not sure. He was saying he did not know that this game is a 5 over match.
Shuas is very unhappy with this 5 over concept.
He's very unhappy, guys. He's going to write a report about it.
Suyesh का एक over cut हो गया. That's the reason we just took 5 overs of this.
Alright, so there are only 3 players outside the field.
And it's a batting power play in the last over of the innings.
Just to summarize, it's 40 at the loss of 3 wickets. This is the final over. They really want to push it above 50 to get an edge over the team. Right arm over the wicket, Sukomal.
Right arm round the wicket from Sukumal.
Right arm round. Here we go. And he pulls. Will the fielder stop? He doesn't! The first ball went for a 4. So 44 for the loss of 3 wickets, 4 overs and 1 ball. And that's a wide. There is the non-striker literally ran half the pitch. And that goes. Waiting for the umpire to confirm. It's a 6! मेरे को पेपर देना पेन में लिखने के लिए हाउ विल आई रिमेंबर आई नीड समथिंग इधर पेपर कुछ नहीं इधर दैट्स अनदर शॉट एंड दैट्स अनदर 4 smashing inning comes to an end. His team is applauding for him and the DJ needs to play some music. A great catch under pressure. Well played, Sujay, well played. All right, last 2 deliveries, guys. $55 for 4. ये काउंटिंग किया ना इन लोग ने तो आके एक काम कर फोन डाउनलोड द क्रिक हीरो ऐप सुनील प्लीज डाउनलोड द क्रिक हीरो ऐप एंड लुक एट द स्कोर्स देयर
पहिला बॉल 4 है पहिला बॉल 4 है ये कौन सा या ओवरला पहिला बॉल 4 है हो हां नंतर 4 बस हां वाइड और 4 तो वही गिन रहा हूं ना वो बोल रहा है 6 मारा पहला बॉल
ऑलराइट लास्ट 2 deliveries very important
वाइड 6 नंतर 4
That's a hit. It covers the infield. Oh no, it's a misfield! Man, oh my God! Waiting for the umpire's decision here. The umpire, is it a 4? Is that a boundary? 3 runs. Final delivery, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. 58 on the board. Can they go 60? थोड़ी देर देख ले लेकिन फिर बाद में बंद कर देना इसका उसका कल खींचा था ना हाँ वो है last delivery here we go it's hit it's coming straight there the fielder Suyash does well to stop it fumbling throws the ball there is a miss oh no there's another run there is another run and this one is out. Warriors is 61 for the loss of 5 wickets, which means the target for the Heroes is going to be 62 and they need to chase this in 30 balls or less. Alright, we call the next team for the toss. Which is the next team? Alright, which is the next team that is supposed to play? Alright, inviting the Kings captain and the Challengers captain. Kings and Challengers to come for a toss. We need the toss to be starting in the next 1 minute. Alright, in the interest of time, we request all the players to come back to the field. Thank you so much, Warriors, for being on time. Alright, and we have Sudhir, who's going to open the innings along with his. And it's going to be Suyash, the debutant, to open. क्या है हम मैं अकेले दिख रहा हूँ और है ना लोग इसको पूछना बालाजी को पूछना अरे इसको कॉइन देना बाबा कॉइन टॉस कर तू कर दो टॉस ठीक है मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कोई नहीं है अरे जतिन जरा टॉस करना अरे एटलीस्ट बी हियर हाँ आई डोंट हैव अ कॉइन
माझा स्लो झालाय दुकान स्लो झालाय
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Suyash batting, opening for the first time. And we have Sudhir on the other end. Sudhir is going to be taking strike. Suyash is going to be on the non-striker's end. Warriors having this last minute team meeting, a pep talk. Nine? That is the thing, nobody...
कॉइन येलो कॉइन मला परत द्या
All right, so we have the Kings and we have Challengers. Hey, Baba, zara asa hua na. All right, are you Deepak? Are you captaining? Deepak, Deepak is captaining for the challengers, and we have Viraj, captain of the Kings. The coin is tossed. Kings have won the toss and they've decided to bowl. The challengers will be batting first, requesting both the teams to have their batters and their fielding team ready. We will want to start the match as soon as possible. All right. It's going to be Sonu opening the bowling. He does well, keeps it down to 1. Suyash on strike for the very first time today. I apologize, Jatin, in advance for any mistake that I see. So this is going to be the fourth delivery. And what a beautiful cut shot. That's another 4. Four deliveries so far, 13 runs on the board, 2 more to go. Swings and he misses a dot ball. 14 runs so far. One more delivery to go. Okay. And played on the offside and a single run. So the first over is over and 14 runs done. ये अपडेट नहीं लगा अजून 48 of 24, right? So 48 now needed of 24 balls. So the first mandatory power play comes to an end. Brings Sujay on to strike. Sujay is going to bowl the second over. Suyash or Suyash? एक Suyash है. हाँ. Suyash on strike. Sujay to bowl to him. 48 of 24. 48 runs of 24 deliveries. So the required run rate is of 12. Here we go, people. All set. All. Sensibly played on the onside, and now the strike is rotated to Sudhir. So Sudhir faces Sujay for the first time in this edition. Driven straight, and Sonu cuts it off. Only single. So far they are trying to keep the opposition at a minimum here. The Warriors. It's a shot. There's a fielder underneath it. Will he? No, he doesn't. There's another fielder who covered it. Again, only one run of this over of this ball. So far, the 3 balls that have been bowled, there are only 3 runs that have been made. 17 of one over and 3 balls. 45 in 21. Shot goes over the infield, and that's cut off. Sonu does extremely well on the boundary line. They come back for the third. But exceptional effort by Sonu in the boundary. Definitely saved that 1 run. Brings Suyash back on strike. 20 so far. 2 more balls to go in this over. 42 in 20 deliveries. That's a wide. Another shot. Sonu is on the boundary. He will stop it. And he throws. Oh, there's enough confusion. Will this be a run out? Umpire. That is out. That is the first wicket for the Heroes. अच्छा अच्छा Darius hits the first ball that he faces, but it goes to the infielder. And it is limited to another one, only a single.
दादा ये मैच कोण आहे
End of the over. So it's 23 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. So they need 39 of 18 balls. तुम्ही ना तिकडे जाऊन जरा बसा खुर्चीवर आणि मला ना तुम्ही बोलताना मला कॉन्सन्ट्रेट the beginning of the third over. And a dot ball. This is a rare thing to happen, especially when you're chasing such a high scoring match. 39 of 17. Another dot ball. You can see the pressure rising on the batting team. "39 of 16 now. He hits it. Will this be caught? It bounces safely. Recovered, thrown back, and it is 2 runs. Solo underneath it, and he catches it! Second wicket, and it is Darius. And the new batsman is Mahesh Borke, the debutant. So 25 for the loss of 2 wickets. 2 more balls to go in this over. It has been a very disciplined over. Very disciplined. Really putting the pressure back onto the heroes. This is the last two deliveries of the third over. We will have two more overs after this. Really. Here we go. Another good length delivery. And this is negotiated for one. Sudhir really has to make this ball count. 26 runs. This is the end of the third over. And this is the last ball of the third over. And two more overs to go after this. He negotiates it and keeps it to a simple and keeps the strike. Sudhir has decided that he is going to take this game on by himself. He is going to face the fourth over by himself. We are going to see if the batting team is going to take a power play. They are not.
घेतलंय? It is a power play.
Alright, so batting power play has been taken so far, so which means there are only 3 players allowed outside. Alright, so they need 12 more balls remaining, guys, and 35 runs are needed. This is a very...
वो लोग देख लेंगे ना, तू मेरे को क्यों बता रहा है? रुक जा.
Over to Sudhir. He swings, he connects, but it is saved in the infield to us. Sudhir runs, Sudhir makes a run for it. There is a huge misunderstanding in the field. Sudhir is clearly upset with this. It is out, but we need to see which batsman is now out. Is out, unfortunately. All right, and the new batsman is Ganesh. So 28 for 3, 34 of 11 balls. 34, ladies and gentlemen, of 11.
गणेश या साइडला आहे.
आउट इकडे झाला ना गणेश, इकडे येईल ना गणेश. आउट इकडे झाला ना.
Very well observed by the scorer Santosh. He identified that players need not change. Back to the game. Clears the infield. There's a player on the boundary. Does well. Throws back the ball well. Well done. Well done. runs for the loss of 3 wickets. Hits. Stopped inside the circle. and thrown back very quickly. What a good performance here on the field. Well done, Munawar. All right, 32 needed of 10 balls. 31 needed of 9 deliveries now. Dot. "31 of 8. And wrapped on the pads. 1. Clearly now the Warriors are stamping their authority on this game. Swings. Stopped inside the infield by Munawar. Well done, Munawar. What a great stop that is. That is. And that is the end of the 4th over. 33 for the loss of 3 wickets. We come to the final over. There is 29 needed of this over of 6 deliveries. This seems impossible until it is done. Great opportunity to play out of your skin here for the batsmen. But we know that this is very hard. Easier just said than it is done. Mahesh Bodke on strike. Sunil to over the bowl, the final over. Here we go. Wide.
needed ना next matches we qualify ना semis तो needed अरे देख ना बाद में देख रहे यार अच्छा ठीक है चल अभी देख कमेंट्री में
The Heroes might have lost this match, but they're trying really hard to keep their run rate up. They are running really hard between the wickets. And that's another wide, and that's misfield. But Sujay was back onto that ball quickly. "21 of 4 deliveries. That is a very wayward ball. 20 of 4. He swings, crosses the infield, goes to Sonu out in the boundary, and they only keep it to 1. 19 of 3. $42 for the loss of 3.
अरे 7 पण कोणाचे होणार नाही जतीन.
Hit.
होणार आहे. तू कशाला टेन्शन घेतोय आता?
आमच्यावर 4 आहे ना 1 4 1 4 2 3
सातवर राहणार ते पण सातवर राहणार दोघं सातवर राहणार
हे टायगर 5 वर आहेत ना 4
काय टायगर कोण टायगर 6 पॉइंटला आहे 6 पण 3 वर आले ते आता हे जिंकले का 3 वर येते आता जो जिंकेल ना तो क्वालिफाय जिंकेल का ड्रॉ येतो त्यांच्या दोघांमध्ये बघतो
Beautiful shot. There's a fielder and unfortunately drops it. Another single run. Last delivery. 17 needed of this last delivery. They are 45 so far. And
अरे धाव
that is the end of the game. The Warriors have won this match.
अच्छा कौन सा टीम क्वालिफाई हुआ